be enough for our soup. So, next I think we're going to put in some grapes. Grapes are always good. Okay, so we're going to put the grapes in. Yummy, 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 yummy. Looks good, right? Next, we're going to put some seasons that'll just spice that soup up a little bit. Remember, a little is more. You can't put too much in or else it'll taste disgusting. This one's my favorite. So now our soup's a little bland. So we need to add in some, flavor. These are good. I have one in every soup I make. And guess what? After you eat it, if you don't put these in, you feel bad. If you do put them in, you feel better. Okay. So far, it's tasting good. Our soup is mostly fruit and veggies. So now we're going to add a little protein. Just wait till we get this boiling. So, applesauce. Everybody loves applesauce. So next we need to put the applesauce in. The applesauce is actually quite good if you get that extra apple taste. I mean, nobody likes real apples. Doesn't that look delicious? I just want to eat it right now. That's okay, I'll just have to wait. Got it in good there. Yummy. Now, our soup gives us every little thing except for good luck. Fortune cookies. Yum. Well, we gotta get this cooking on the stove. Now, it takes quite a while to cook, but I'm sure it'll taste good and pay off when it's done. Well, it's been about 2 hours now. Better get it off the stove. Ooh, hot. Now just serve it up and eat. That's good.
Friend, let's look back on the crazy clothes we wore. Ain't it fun to look back and to see it's all been